Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by creating a new Widgy widget and selecting its size. This determines layout options and available elements. Tap the plus sign, pick 2x2, 4x2, or 4x4, and give the widget a name so you can find it later. Once done, enable draft mode to edit freely, then go to iPad settings to allow Widgy to add widgets to your home screen. Make sure permissions for photos and fonts are enabled if you plan to use custom assets. Next, add and arrange elements, text, images, calendar entries, or battery indicators by dragging and resizing directly on the canvas. Use layers to stack items, lock finished layers to avoid accidental moves, and group related elements for consistent positioning. Adjust opacity, fonts, and blend modes to match your style. Once done, set element behaviors. Assign tap or long press actions, link URLs, or trigger shortcuts so your widget does something useful when interacted with. Finally, save your widget and publish it to My Widgets, then add it to the home screen via the iPad widget gallery. If your widget doesn't update, force refresh within Widgy, remove and re-add the widget, or restart the home screen. Make sure image files are referenced locally or available via allowed URLs. If something breaks, duplicate a known good element and swap properties. This isolates the problem quickly and often fixes layer or binding errors without rebuilding from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.